Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online class, Priyadashini High School. I am Mrs. Asra, your social teacher. Children, we have completed our 3 less chapters. So today I'm going to give you tools. As you know, we are going to start our FA1 from 23rd of August. So first we have to do the tools. So tool 1, as I said, I'll be taking from classwork. So all have to submit your classwork whenever the date is given for you. Okay. So 5th class, the date was on Wednesday, that is 11th. Okay. So now today I'm going to give you written work and project work, which you are going to do in your formative books. Take new formative book and every fresh page you have to do this. Okay. So for this written work, you have to read the following passage and answer the questions. So the passage is on independence. I'll read the passage. India declared itself an independent country on 15th August 1947. The last Governor General of India was Lord Mountbatten. He continued as the Governor General of India for 1 more year before being succeeded by Rajagopalachari. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, while Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Deputy Prime Minister. Okay. On 26th January 1950, India was declared a republic. Its first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So this was the paragraph. Okay. So you have to write the question and answers from this paragraph. Okay. So here I have given you that also. So first question is, when was India declared as independent country? India was declared as an independent country on 15th August 1947. Okay. Second question is, who succeeded Lord Mountbatten? C. Rajagopalachari succeeded Lord Mountbatten. Who succeeded? यानी माउंटबैटन को किसने हराया था और उसको अपने घर भेज दिया था. तो श्री राजगोपालाचारी succeeded Lord Mountbatten. Next question is, who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Okay. Next one, when was India declared as republic? Okay. इंडिया को रिपब्लिक कब मिला था, कब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर्म हुआ था? सो इंडिया वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड एज रिपब्लिक ऑन 26th January 1950. On 26th January 1950 इंडिया वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड एज रिपब्लिक, यानी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अपना तब फॉर्म हुआ था. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who was the first president of independent India? तो जब अपने को आज दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंस मिला था, फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद was the first president of independent India. So he was he became the president after republic, यानी जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर्म हुआ तो तब राजेंद्र प्रसाद प्रेसिडेंट बने थे फर्स्ट. नाउ मैच द फॉलोइंग. So column A you have given Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Sepoy Mutiny, Satyagrah movement, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So you have to match the this side B column. That is, first is Mahatma Gandhi means he was called as the father of the nation. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru means he was called as the Chacha Nehru. Okay. Sepoy Mutiny is 1857. Satyagraha movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So last one, Rajgopalachari is the social reformer. Got it? Yes. Now project work. In project work, what you have to do is you have to collect and paste pictures of any 5 freedom fighters. 5 freedom fighters के pictures collect करो और 3 to 4 lines about them, यानी 3-4 lines उन लोग के बारे में लिखना है, पेस्ट करना है और लिखना है. ठीक है बच्चों? All have to do and submit it on time. Time will be given on WhatsApp. Children, this written work and project work, you have to do it in your books, and I'll give you the time, that is when you have to submit the books. That time you have to submit it on time. Okay? Thank you children. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.